Hi everyone, welcome back to Christina Chit Chat. Today we're going to be reviewing fidget toys I got from Amazon. I got this fidget toy set here on Amazon. It's called Fidget Toy Set. It's for kids and adults. It was $8. It came with, I believe, 28 pieces, and we're going to review how they sound and how they work for that. I'm just going to reach in. I opened it. It opened very easily. Flip top. Ooh. Fidget remote. It has a. Ooh, I like that. Kind of like flicking a pen cover up and down. It has a joystick. Camera reel with noise, and one without. And buttons. Looks like two with sound, two without. A flick. And one of the Volley spinning, one of the quick spins, just for rotation. Feels good quality. Not bad at all. That's really good. I like that. Ooh, I love this. And I think I saw in here, yep, another one. So they give you two of these. They're meshes with marbles inside. I love these. You just push it back and forth. You can squeeze it together to feel the marble. You just move it between your fingers. It's really good. It's a quiet fidget. No one can know. No one needs to know that you're doing anything. It just keeps your hands busy without making any noise. And I love these pop tubes. Sorry, Tiger. They have a very noisy fidget, and my cat does not seem to like them much. Comes with the blue. Ooh, that sounds like a Jeeper. Let's listen to that one again. Not really the same. This one seems a little more sturdier than the other one, and the purple one. Yeah, this is a lot more harder to pull apart. The green one is a little harder than the blue, and this is a little harder than the green. It, it comes with a infinity cube. It just folds in on itself. Oh, it's not showing up on my camera. Hold on. Let's see if I turn the light off. There, you can see it now. It, it just keeps folding in on itself. This one is made of plastic, including the joints that hold it together. So it's a little on the cheaply made side than the metal ones, but still works for what it's set to do. And this can keep me entertained for hours. I'm going to turn the light back on. Stress ball in the shape of the world. Just a hard foam ball. Not really for me. The same with this football. Hard foam, not for me. This is a fidget spinner. Not great ball bearings in it. Ooh. And I believe you call these crazy tracks. You can bend them any which way you want. Let's see if I bend them all the way up like this. Well, it's so spin. Yeah. Cool. Not my thing. I don't really like the crazy tracks. I like mindless fidgeting mostly. Ooh, mini fidget spinner. Good ball bearing in it. It's really tiny. Not really good at balancing it on your fingertips though. I think I felt another one in here. Yep, this is a different one. Ball bearings are not as good in this one. Stops right away. And another fidget spinner, also small. This one balances a little bit better. And they're mini ones. Here's my hand. What else is in here? Got two something in here that feel the same. Oh, these are one of those snake fidgets. You can move in any direction. Edges are really sharp though, so if getting it for this for a kid, I probably would take this out. Because if I'm not paying attention to it, I'm gonna hurt my finger. But it is enjoyable. I could sit here and never mind. Just scratch my finger, trying to get it back into the shape it's supposed to be without looking at it. Not bad though. Made great. Tiny Rubik's Cube. Again, fits in the palm of my hand. Seems like it's made good quality for a mini one. Everything turns easily. Rubik's Cubes, I like playing with. I can never solve them, but I do like fidgeting with them. It's an easy mindless fidget. What else is in here? Ooh, peas in a pod. Not good. I'm really squeezing hard. To, the middle one comes out easily, but the side one's really hard. So it's a keychain, which is nice, but I think these were glued down wrong. Or no, they're not glued down. They glued the sides here that hold the peas together in too much. So you can't squeeze them out. Give me a second. Let's see if I pull it apart. If it'll work. Let's see. That's a little bit better. Now that one comes out easily. This one is still a little down there, but it is working now. So if you're getting this for a kid, again, you might want to make sure it's, how to fix it. I just dropped something. Where did it go? Oh, I see it. This is one of the metal. I have another one in here. I my yeah, it's a gold one. You just stick it on your finger and you roll it back and forth. For the people that like to fidget like with rings, feels really good on your fingers. Like a nice massage. You can do anywhere, including in this cold weather here in New York. Okay. Ooh, I love these gears. These are not as good quality as the other ones. The ones that have the two that have these middle things on both sides, but still get the same job done. Just folds in on itself. Here, if you can't really see, let me see. Oh, there's a red one. Ah, looks like this one they used plastic to have it fold in, but didn't do a good job keeping it separate. The plastic ones are, it moves too much on it, but it is a nice, comfortable feel in the fingers. Just rotates in on itself. So you do these with one hand though. You need to get these gears that have the metal things on the side, not the plastic. And then comes with a mochi. Mochis are not really my thing. A ball, one of those foam ball things, you just rotate around. It's kind of like this ring thing. You can do it for your hand though, back and forth like this. Feels good, but there's really nothing else to do with that. I have two more mochis in here. I'm not going to open them because I don't like mochis. Fidget puzzle, again, great for me if I want to decompress, but not real and focus on one thing, but not really if I just want to fidget around. And monkey noodles. Again, a blue, a purple, and this time we get a greenish yellow instead of a green. How do I open this thing? Ah, there we go. Very stretchy. You can tie them in a knot a million which ways and open them. I love watching nerdecrafters fidget toy reviews. I love these things. And they don't even smell so much like paint like the others do. So overall for $8, it's not a bad fidget toy starter kit. Would I purchase most of these things again separately? Yeah. Probably get a better quality of this. A metal version of this. And probably a better one of the peas in a pod. Other than that, I'd say it's worth it for a kid. Maybe not so much an adult. But overall, I got everything in the set that I like to fidget with for pretty cheap price. So I'm happy with it. And I'm gonna go fidget with the infinity cube for a little bit. What do you think, Tiger? You like it? It's kitty approved. Have a good day, guys.